Welcome to the HardReset.Info YouTube channel. Today I would like to show how you can change screen timeout on a Huawei phone. So to start, you will need to launch settings, then simply enter the display and brightness category, and then expand the available sleep values. And over here you can set the screen timeout delay or idle time anywhere from 15 seconds to 10 minutes. If you would like to set any values over the maximum of 10 minutes, you will need to download the free third-party app that is called Caffeine. So let me quickly find it for you and show how you can get it, install and use the app, the said app, Caffeine app, Caffeine, I guess that's the name of the developer. I'm not interested in Google Play Store, so let's try looking for the APK file for it. Here is the app. You can just open the apkpure.com, or is it .com? Yeah, apkpure.com website, and I've accidentally closed it. Good job. And well, get the Caffeine app from there. Let's download the APK file. So we have successfully granted the APK, or rather the battle search with the install unknown apps permission. So let's install the Caffeine app at last. And once it was successfully installed, you can launch it. And over here, as you can see, you can set the timeout values to even 30 minutes, 1 hour, or even to an infinite value. And in order for the Caffeine to work, you will need to let it stay active in the background. So make sure not to accidentally or perhaps purposely turn it off or close the app. And well, that will be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.